Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. And it's me, your travel host Divya Wilson. And today we're gonna go to Jatayu, the world's largest bird sculpture. So this sculpture is located in the Kollam district of Kerala state in India. And this tourist place is called Jatayu Earth Center Nature Park. So behind this sculpture, there's a legend, there's a story and all those things I would explain as the vlog goes on. So now let's go take the ticket to get to that place. Actually, this sculpture is located on a rock. We have to go up there. So we have in order to go up there are two ways. Okay, either you can take the stairs or we can go through cable car. I am opting the cable car because I've never been to cable car. This is the first time I'm going to take a cable car and I'm very much excited for that too. So if you're a travel lover and if you're planning to visit this place, watch this vlog.
Hello, everybody, put your hands like this. Bonjour, salut, adieu.
Guys, I really want to inform you something that here for entry fee, cash is not accepted. They would accept only online payment or card. If you're planning to visit here, be ready with the payment mode accordingly. For entry fee, I paid 504 and for cable car, we have to pay separately. And for that, I paid 549 rupee.
Okay guys, so we are going to that cable car. So here all the entry procedures done now. Next, just the cable car. I don't know which way I have to go. Maybe this way. Here there are many outlets, food outlets and restaurants. Down there two outlets I saw, and here also there are a couple of. It's a good thing. Okay. Oh, not only food outlets. Here there are many game zones and all. 12D, lobster pottery bound. I don't know. There is a game zone. Yes, that's the place for me. Yay. Okay, let's go up. Okay, we have here cabin number 3. Remember. So guys, our cable car has arrived. So in this we're going. I'm very much excited because this is the first time ever in my life that I'm getting on a cable car. And one other, specialty of this place is this is the one and only cable car in Kerala. So come here and enjoy, guys. Okay, so we got on the cable car, guys. We're just going up. Wow, what a nice feeling. Wow, it's a little scary, but it's okay. I don't know. If you don't have fear of height, you can just manage. It's not that hard. Wow, it's nice. Feel like I'm just taking off in my flight. I'm just missing my flight being here. Wow, it's so nice. So behind me, you can see the hills. I don't know which hills they are, but the hill station, very beautiful scenic view. You can see behind my back, and guys, here we can see the helipad. You can just turn the camera there. Helipad. So if you have helicopter, you can come and you can just get on down here. This is a very good convenient spot. If you're owning a helicopter, you can just come here. And yeah, me and my mom, we got just hold the cabin for ourselves. There is no other tourist here, so I'm just very happy. But some men from the other cabin are just making fun of me. gone inside. Yes, that's it. I was expecting for something else. Alright, guys. So, as I said earlier, I would explain the story behind this Jatayu. So, Jatayu is a demigod as per Ramayana. Ramayana, as you know, it is a epic in Hindu. As per Ramayana, this Jatayu was the king of vultures. It had the form of vulture. So the story behind the construction of this place is, Ravana, the god of demons, was attempting to abduct Sita Devi to Lanka. So Sita was just crying for help. So Jatayu heard this and intervened, and Jatayu was attempting to rescue Sita Devi. So he fought with Ravana, but as Jatayu was very old, just he couldn't fight. Okay, Ravana defeated Jatayu by clipping off his wing, and this Jatayu descended and just fell on this rock. So here I think Jatayu died here after that. But when Rama and Lakshmana was searching for Sita Devi, they stumbled upon Jatayu, and Jatayu informed them that Ravana left for Lanka by taking Sita, and they headed south. Those information was given by Jatayu. So he was very helpful at that time. So as a tribute to him, here this place has been made. It's written, please don't climb on, sit on top of the sculpture. Okay, guys, as Jatayu tried to rescue Sita Devi, this sculpture symbolizes woman's safety and honor. Guys, so near this sculpture, there is one and only cafe where you can get tea, coffee, some snacks, and lime juice. There is no other restaurant. So there is no other restaurants here. This is the only one cafe we have. So I bought some lime juice and പരിപ്പ് വട. Actually, I'm so hungry. It's afternoon time, right? So I'm hungry. I don't have any other option. That's why I bought this. Actually, I'm not supposed to have sugar and oil as I'm on a diet. But today I don't have any option. I just have to eat it to survive. So cheers, guys. Guys, when you come here, please keep an umbrella with you or a cap or something. It's very hot in here and it's so windy also, so a cap would do. Guys, when you come up here you can see a board where the history of the Jatayu has been written in both languages, in Malayalam, Hindi and English. That's good. So, what here it's been written is stand upon this hill for a while in contemplation. It's the whole story which I already explained. So, if you want to know about the story, you can just come here and read this. Guys, also there are a couple of souvenir shops.
சொல்லுங்கம்மா என்ன என்ன சொல்லுது
You
everyone
can
subscribe
say
to chill with
Divu.
Divu
Divu.
Viva இது பாரு என்ன பேர் போட்டுருக்காங்க
Divu.
Divu அதான் சொன்னேன் நானு View இல்லையா
Subscribe to View.
chill with
Chill
you.
with
Divu.
everyone
Yes.
subscribe
1 2 3
to
சொல்லுங்க.
chill with you
Okay, 1 2 3.
Guys, I have just come out of the souvenir shop. So, yeah, I'm just getting a very beautiful view from here. Look at this. Guys, so here we have a souvenir shop here. Guys, we can see the whole city from here. Not a whole city, maybe we can say a village, this part. Guys, so there is a temple, you know, over there. So like if you want to visit the temple, you can go there. We have to remove our chapels and all, and as I am Christian, like I'm not, so I'm not going to the temple. So we're waiting to go back down by a cable car, but cable car has been stopped for some time because of heavy wind. So we're just waiting. Let's see when they will start.
ఓకే అయిపోయింది
Guys, here what all tourist places we have in Trivandrum, those places have been mentioned here, and how much distance we have from here till that place, that is also has been mentioned. It's great. Guys, here I was explaining about the amenities inside, but unfortunately, my mic was not working at this point, so it was not capturing the things I was talking about. So, here they have a game zone and a couple of food outlets. So, I was just deciding to go to that game zone and see 12D. For 12D, I paid 150 per person for two shows, the roller coaster one and the jungle adventure safari. Then guys, from here I bought Dubai Kunafa chocolate and some souvenirs. The souvenir shop is so beautiful and incredible. From here we can get this Kerala themed fridge magnets and decorative things. Okay, guys, I'm going to wind up this vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So if you are visiting Kerala, this is a must visit place. Do not miss this place because this is an iconic place, being the world's largest bird sculpture. If you miss this place, that will be a great miss in your life. So with that being said, I'm going to wind up this vlog and thank you so much guys watching this vlog. See you guys in the next vlog. Until then, adios amigos.